Liz, I understand that you don't want to pay the $29.95 additional markup. Liz, I don't blame you. I wouldn't want to either if I was in your position. All right? I'm going to guess, when was the last time you bought a car?
Before everything started going on with this pandemic, 2018.
I'm going to guess you got a pretty good discount from the dealer to buy it, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
There may have even been a factory rebate.
Mm-hmm.
What you got when you got the discount and the factory rebate was you got a market-based price. In order for the dealer to help you buy that vehicle or to sell it from his standpoint or her standpoint, as the case may be, they had to discount the vehicle, and the factory probably kicked in some money in the form of a rebate as well. That's called a market-based price. This price right here with the $29.95 added is also a market-based price. But what I'm going to tell you next is going to sound a little crazy. This is actually a discounted price. Now, wait a minute. It's $29.95 over MSRP. How could it be discounted? This information I'm about to show you comes from two websites, both of them designed to help consumers buy cars and trucks. The websites are Edmunds.com and iSeeCars.com. And here's what they say. Again, this isn't a Ford Motor Company saying it. This is not a dealer association saying it. It's not me, the sales manager, saying it. What they're saying right now is 82% of the people buying new vehicles in 2022 are paying over MSRP. And the simple answer is it's supply and demand. All right? When supply goes down but demand remains high, prices are going to go up. But how much are they going to go up? Well, according to these people, and again, these websites teach consumers how to buy cars and trucks. According to these consumers, or this website, the average markup over MSRP is 9.9% or $3,753. So, as you can see, we're not marking it up $3,753. We're marking it up $29.95, which is almost an $800 discount off the market-based price. Which cash down works better for you, $3,000, $4,000, or $5,000?
4 works.
4, and you want to go short term, save the most money, long term, most comfortable, or right in the middle, best of both worlds?
Right in the middle's fine. 48 months.
Put a check mark there. Okay, that down there. See, that's why you weren't here the last time. Okay, this is designed to help you justify those numbers because these come from two websites the consumers use to buy cars. I mean, as crazy as it sounds, and you know, I work with 70 accounts, about 60% of them are charging over MSRP, the other 40% aren't. You guys weren't charging over MSRP, so you're not used to defending.
No.
Okay, so you're going to need to make sure you learn this. Now,